Hello everyone. Today we will start with the topic that is errors. The topic of this is that is a significant figures. Now the topic is what is a significant figure? The digit that are known reliably but plus the first uncertain digit are known as the significant digits, or you can say it's a significant figures. The rules how we are counting the significant figures. The first rule is that is all non-zero digits are significant, like the number which are not having a zero means all non-zero digit like 1 2 3 4. This is a number if we are giving it means it is having the four significant figures. The second rule for this is all zeros occurring between the two non-zero digits are significant. For example, we are taking x is equal to 1007 means to the zeros which are coming inside the between these two non-zeros, it means we will count it as a significant figure. So we are having a four significant figures. Let's take the one more example, 1.0809. Now we can say this one and this 9, these are the non-zero digits and the zeros are coming between the non-zero digits. So we are having a five significant figures. The third rule is if the number is less than 1. Less than 1 means the number is starting less than 1 means the 0.00. The less than 1, the zeros on the right of the decimal point, right side means this one, and to the left of the first non-zero digit are not significant, like these non-zeros, the underlined zeros, these are the non-significant figures. It means in this number, in this figure, we are having only the four significant figures. Okay, understand? The next rule is in a number without decimal point are not significant. It means if we are taking the number without decimal we are taking the example that is a 3210, no decimal is there. Now the zero which are coming here position, then it will become a non-significant figure. It means in this number we are having only the three significant figures. The next rule is in a number with decimal point, zeros are significant. If in this number, if we will consider with the decimal, like we will put the decimal here, then it will become the four significant figure. Like we can take the example 3.500 has the four significant figures. If we can take the example 3500, then it will become the two significant figures. The next example we can consider 0.0069 000 has, these are the non-significant figures and these we will consider as a significant figures. So in this number we are having a 69000. It means it has a five significant figures. The next rule is that is a change of unit does not change the number of significant figures, means it does not affect that whether the number is given in a centimeter, millimeter, meter or kilometer. The unit of change of unit does not change the number of significant figures. We can take the example 5.608 centimeter has the four significant figures. 56, that centimeter will be converted into millimeter, that is 56.08 millimeter has four significant figures. Again 0.05608, these two are the non-significant figures. So 5608 meter, it means these are the four significant figures. Again it can be written in the form of a kilometer. Again we are having a four significant figures. The next topic is that is the rules for the rounding off. Rounding off, the first rule states that if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, like we are having an example of a 7.82, we have to round off with one digit. One digit means we will consider that is a 8, after that 8. If this number is less than 5, then it will not be rounded off, the number will be same, that is 7.8. After rounding off, we will get the number that is a 7.8. Second rule states that if after the decimal digit, if we are having a number greater than 5, then the number will be raised by 1, like 6.87. 7 is more than the 5, so we will consider it with the number before this, it will be raised by 1, that is a 6.9. After rounding off, we will get that is a 6.9. The third rule, if the digit to be dropped is 5, we got the example. If number is less than 5, if number is more than 5. Now the example is if the number is same 5. 5 is, it will be distributed into three parts. Number which is less than 5, the preceding digit, if the other than non-zero, means after 5 other than non-zero, like this is not a zero number, then it will be raised by 1. 16.4. After 5, if this will be non-zero, then the before 5 digit will be raised by 1, that is a 16.4. If this is a zero number, 0, after 5 we will get 0, then the number will be same, 3.2. After rounding off we will get, that is a 3.2. Again, if the number is drop to be 5 or followed by the zeros, if this is number is 0, then the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. It means 0 will be there. If this digit is a even number, then it will remain same. If this digit will be the odd number, like 5, this is 7. If this will be the odd number, then it will be raised by 1, that is 3.8. Thank you.